So I'm going to give you some basic questions, and you're going to answer these questions according to your understanding or according to your routine, whatever you're doing. Continuing with your ongoing activities. Who is talking? Who is talking so much? This is the last question in your morning routine. What time do you usually leave home? Either for office or for work or for school or for college? What is the time? At what time do you normally leave home? And if you ask me, I usually leave home at 8:30. I usually leave home at 8:30. What is the problem? What is happening? Or the question can be, what time do you clock out? What time do you clock out? What time do you leave home? This is the same thing. Clock out मतलब कितने बजे आप घर से निकलते हैं? I clock out at 8:30. I clock out early because I do not want to be late. I clock out early as I don't want to be late. To avoid the rush. This is on. Why is this still on? बताइए कब से on है? To avoid the rush. To avoid the rush, I make it a point to leave early. So what time do you usually clock out? What time do you usually leave home?
ये मैं माइक जल्दी जलेंगे कभी सामने आ रहा
क्या
बुढ़ापा का फिर आ गया लगता
क्या हुआ? What is the problem that you're having? To avoid the rush hours, I make it a point to leave early. तो vocabulary जो आपको phrase मिला हुआ है clock out. Clock out and clock in. I clock in at 7. मतलब हम कितने बजे लौटते हैं घर, वापस कितने बजे आते हैं? I clock out at 8:30 and I clock in at 7. It means I get back at 7. The phrase which I have given you is clock out and clock in. Next question. These were the phrases. ये सब क्या है? Phrase है. Now some questions for your afternoon.
आपको 11 लिख पा रही है क्या?
Please keep your microphone muted. How do you spend your afternoons? Normally, generally, afternoon में लोग क्या क्या करते हैं? What do they do? सोते हो? हाँ. एक स्टूडेंट बोल रहा है सोते हैं तो doesn't. I never sleep. People who are saying I always sleep, then you will miss out the fun in life. So it shows you are so inactive. You are so lazy that you cannot do any activity. All right.
ऑफिस में रहते हैं.
I keep a check on my backlogs. मतलब क्या कमी है, क्या छूट गया पढ़ाई में, क्या काम बाकी है, उसको हम पूरा करते हैं. Because afternoons are you get a lot of time to do your backlogs. जो पेंडिंग वर्क है, जो काम अधूरा रह गया है, कुछ नया पढ़ना है, कुछ और पढ़ना है, कुछ क्रिएटिव करना है. So all these things we are doing in the afternoon because we get a lot of time. बट अगर आपका हेल्थ बहुत खराब है तो यहाँ से जाने के बाद सो जाते हैं. Oh my God. We never sleep. हाँ खाना तो खाते हैं of course. Anyways, आपका लाइफ है, आप जैसे करते हैं। आई एम गिविंग यू सम टेक्निकल डिटेल्स कैसे इसको आंसर करना चाहिए। अब आई फाइंड टाइम टू, इसमें जो भी आपके इंटरेस्ट का चीजें आप करते हैं। आफ्टरनून में यू फाइंड टाइम टू व्हाट, अप टू यू, आप जो भी कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं। यस, और क्या कर सकते हैं? आई फाइंड टाइम टू समथिंग विच इज इंटरेस्टिंग। Read books, novels, magazines. You listen to music. Catch up with my friends, मतलब जिन दोस्तों से बात नहीं कर पाए हैं उनसे समय नहीं मिल जाता है तो दिन में हम बात कर लेते हैं। ये सारी चीजें हम कर पाते हैं जब हम सोएंगे नहीं तो हमको टाइम मिलेगा, और टाइम मिल जाता है तो ये सारी चीजें आप कर सकते हैं। There can be a lot of friends who are not in Simej. There can be a lot of friends, your school friends you connect with, or you spend on social media. आप जो करते हैं आपके प्रेजेंटेशन में शो करेगा, और आपकी एक्टिविटी बताएगी कि आपका पर्सनालिटी क्या, आपका कैरेक्टर क्या है। So be very particular when you are answering these questions. Right? I am just giving you the guideline. So normally people do. क्या क्या बोल रहे हो? क्या बोल रहे हैं बताइए, जोर से बोलिए। क्या अब तुम्हारी जो अब तक लाइफ रही है हमको क्यों, हम क्यों तुमको बदल देंगे? तुम वैसे ही रहो। यहाँ पर आप समझ में आ रहे हैं कुछ ट्रेनिंग लेने के लिए, तो वही करते रहिएगा जो आप करते आ रहे हैं। Then why are you here then?
माइक नहीं है।
Then why are you here?
माइक लगाइए। Why are you not using क्या हुआ यार?
That is why I told you to log in. Because if you have not logged in, you will not be able to see the screen. So this was something which creative, which you do or which you don't do. Now the technical part जो कि आप करते हैं. So you after taking lunch you take a nap, a short nap. ये नहीं कि सो गए तो सो ही गए. You take a short nap. Short nap मतलब थोड़ी देर के लिए सो जाते हैं, because that is also necessary. Because if you are getting up early in the morning, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes, half an hour, that's enough. You do not sleep, you do not need so much of sleep. And raat mein, of course, you need to sleep 8 hours. But in the daytime, taking a short nap, taking a power nap is good. Half an hour, you can stretch it to 1 hour, because if you sleep too long, again you will feel lazy in the afternoon, in the evening. बहुत देर सो जाते हैं आप, तो अब शाम में लगता है आपको lazy, you will feel lazy because that is not the time to sleep. Yeah, you take a short nap. Question number 2. How do you spend your evenings? Now, this is completely your lookout. How do you spend your evenings? You can go to your friend's place. You can spend time with your friends. You can go over to your friends, or you can have friends over. So evening time is your time. So how will you spend it? How do you spend? Let us know. Normally you spend time with your friends, isn't it? Normally क्या होता है? आप तो पढ़ते नहीं हैं, आप वो आफ्टरनून में जो करते हैं वो बस आफ्टरनून की चीज है. That is not the time for. Evening is the time for doing what you want. You can go out, you can go, you can watch a movie, or you can go to your friend's place, or you can go to the restaurant. Just an outing is necessary. और क्या कोई बताएगा कि why is an outing necessary? Because all work and no play will make you dull. So here we are telling you how to spend your time in a creative way and doing things which you should be doing. I am not saying just sit and study, indulge only in creative activities. No. So evening is your time wherein you can spend time with your family or friends. You can watch a movie, you can go to the restaurant, or you can go to a friend's place, or you can have your friends over. तो ये क्वेश्चन हम छोड़ देते हैं. How do you spend your evening? I hang out with friends का मतलब होता है spend time with friends. Hang out again is a phrase which means you like spending time with your friends. So I've given you some suggestions. I hang out with my friends. It means I spend time with my friends. I hang out means it's a favorite pastime that you spend time with your friends. I have friends over. मतलब दोस्तों को अपने घर पे बुलाते हैं. I have them over. This again is a phrase which means you like having people over. का मतलब होता है आपको अच्छा लगता है अपने दोस्तों को आप अपने घर पे बुलाते हैं. And the next sentence, I go over to my friends. आप अपने दोस्त के घर जाते हैं. जब आप जाते हैं तो I go over to my friends. और दोस्तों को घर पे बुलाते हैं. I have my friends over. कोई हॉबी है आपका, you pursue your hobbies. You spend time. हाँ, whatever. जो भी आपका हॉबीज है, जो भी आपका इंटरेस्ट है, like playing cricket or whatever, all sporty activities, all fine arts, people who are learning guitar, or there's a evening is a particular time for pursuing your hobbies and interest. Whatever is your interest and whatever is your hobby. So here you can write about your hobbies and interests. So these are some suggestions, right? Now evening activity is over. We're coming to the, yeah, your dinner time, your after your dinner time, your activities before you go to sleep. How much time do you give to your studies? अब रात में क्या होता है, पढ़ने पढ़ाने की बात होती है. अब रात में थोड़ी कहेंगे I listen to music, I do, you can do that before you go to sleep, आप सुन सकते हैं. लेकिन the period of say 7 to 9, like some activities before you have your dinner and before you go to sleep, क्या करते हैं आप? तो सबसे पहले होता है कि how much time do you give to your studies? पढ़ते हो रात में कि नहीं? कितने घंटे पढ़ते हो? Don't tell lies. रात ही में पढ़ते हैं, सही बात, सब लोग रात में पढ़ते हैं. Yeah, exactly. No noise. Now there are some basic questions. I will give you the meaning of such questions. So the first, you already understood. How much time do you give to your studies? कितने घंटे पढ़ाई करते हैं? 2 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours. अगर आप whole night पढ़ते हैं तो उसका अलग term है. I pull an all nighter. I am giving you this expression. I pull an all nighter, जिसका मतलब होता है रात में आप जाग के पढ़ते हैं. अब रात में जाके if you're indulging into social media, that is not an all nighter. All nighter means somebody who stays up the whole night to study. So how many of you study at night? All right, then you can say I am an all nighter. It means, the expression means you are studying at night. वोकैबुलरी अपडेट्स आपको मिलेंगे जो कि आपने पहले सुना नहीं होगा, लेकिन आपको यहाँ बताया जा रहा है straight from the bridge class so that you can speak better, right? So I pull an all-nighter. I will pull an all-nighter because I have my exams on Monday. मतलब संडे को हम रात भर जागेंगे इसलिए कि मंडे को मेरा एग्जाम है. I have pulled an all-nighter for today. मतलब मैं रात भर, pull can be past tense. I have pulled. I pulled an all-nighter, simple past. I am pulling an all-nighter. रात है, आप किसी से बात कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? So I am pulling an all-nighter. ये expression new जरूर है, आपके लिए new है, but these expressions are very old and people who are speaking English, they are speaking like this, right? So if you are studying all night, and the answer to this, how much time do you give to your studies? Well, if you ask me, I would like to tell you that yes, I am an all-nighter. The person who knows English will understand what you're talking about. So what time do you like, what do you like having for dinner? Here we are talking about your favorite food and what do you like having. यहाँ नहीं पूछा नहीं जा रहा है कि आप क्या खाते हैं. What do you like having for dinner? And everybody knows dinner should be light. Dinner, lunch आप heavy कर सकते हो, but dinner should always be light. Breakfast is something quite different. Dinner should be light, so I like having light food so that I don't feel sleepy. अब दिन में खूब सारा खा लोगे तो you'll feel sleepy. Right? And then the fifth question is, do you have a sweet tooth? इसका मतलब होता है, are you always wanting to have something sweet to eat? कितने लोगों की आदत होती है कुछ मीठा खाने की, उनकी आदत हो जाती है, या चाहत होती है कि खाना खाने के बाद कुछ मीठा जरूरी है. कुछ नहीं मिला, चॉकलेट नहीं मिला तो चीनी भी चल जाएगा. कितने लोग हैं जिनको स्वीट टूथ है? हमको तो है. Alright. It means they have a craving, they have a strong desire to have something sweet. And the term है sweet tooth का मतलब होता है कुछ मीठा खाने की के आदी होना. A strong desire for eating something sweet. So yes, I do have a sweet tooth, and after dinner I like having an ice cream or chocolates, but something, I have a sweet tooth का मतलब नहीं होता है you are craving, you have a strong desire to have something sweet to eat. And the last question for the today's session is, जो all nighter वो तो देर तक जागते हैं, otherwise what time do you normally before sleeping आप क्या करते हैं? तो आप, I normally sleep at 11. I sleep at 11, I sleep at 10. Right? What time do you go to bed? So what time do you go to bed? All these questions are expressions and paragraphs. Like early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. I know this maxim, so I try to sleep early, but sometimes I may pull an all-nighter. Sometimes आप लगा देंगे तो आप expressions को भी आपको ध्यान है जल्दी सोना चाहिए so that you can get up early in the morning or get up in the wee hours. So yes, I normally sleep at 11. I make it a point to retire for the night. If you do not want to use the word I sleep at 8 or sleep at 9 or sleep at 10, आप लिख सकते हैं I retire for the night, मतलब दिन भर के बाद आप सो जाते हैं. At what time? You can include that. And you must include the benefits of having 8 hours sleep. In this question, you have to highlight the benefits of sleeping for at least 6 to 8 hours. So these are the entire questions about your ongoing activities. So this is enough. Answer your question in such a way. For example, you're answering this question for an interview or for the HR. If they ask you, what are your ongoing activities? Then don't make irrelevant statements. I sleep for 5 hours. I sleep the whole afternoon. Then how will you work? तुमको वहां सोने का टाइम मिलेगा क्या ऑफिस में? नहीं मिलेगा. फिर and then there are some expressions on the questions on योर एक्टिविटीज ऑन वीकेंड्स, वीकेंड्स का अलग एक्टिविटी होता है, एजेंडा भी अलग होता है। एक और हम डाल ही देते हैं क्वेश्चन। How do you spend your weekends? Because weekdays are quite different and weekends can be entirely different with you coming up with a different agenda. That's it for today.